Mixer truck, tank trouble.
The stadium will be built soon. I can fill this hole very fast. Help! Help, TinkerBot! I fell into a cement pit. TinkerBot, I'm hurt. Please help me.
Don't worry, let me check you first. Wow, you're covered in hard cement. We need to remove it. Which tool? This part is very hard. I need a hammer.
Wow! I feel much lighter. Thank you.
Now let's change your mixing drum. All done! The colorful drum looks so cool! Now it's cleaning time! Rinse with water! Add bubbles! Rinse again! Dry with the fan. Wax and polish. All done.
Whoa! I feel great. Thank you. I need to go back to work now.
Be careful when you work on the construction site.
Emergency! Emergency!
Oh, the construction site needs help. I must go.
Okay, drive safely.
Bye-bye. Wow, I can work normally again.